Hi, this is Shaman here. In this video, I'm going to talk about digestive system. All right. So the role of the digestive system, that is our learning points, describe the role and function of the digestive organs and state the organs present in the digestive system and explain how villi support food absorption. Hi there, this is Shamin here. In this video, I'm going to talk about digestive system. So what's the system? That is digestive system. The role of the digestive system, that is break down the food into tiny particles and which are more easily digested and absorbed into the blood. So why need food? Well, food provides us nutrients, that is for bodily health, growth and repair. So this is the system here. It starts with mouth and all the way here is some enzyme. Alright, so mouth, this is the start of the digestive system. The teeth mechanically grind down the food. The saliva made in salivary glands chemically digest the food using enzymes. Esophagus. The esophagus is a thin tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Liver. The liver releases a chemical called bile into the intestines via the gallbladder. Bile breaks down lipids in food. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag which contains acid. It mixes food and drink with the acid. Pancreas. The pancreas releases enzymes into the intestines, and enzymes break down foods such as lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Gallbladder. This is where bile is stored and concentrated before it is released into the small intestine. Bile is produced in the liver to break down lipids. Small intestine. Foods such as carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids are digested here. Nutrients from these foods are absorbed into the blood. The intestines have a large surface area as a result of lots of tiny folds which absorb nutrients and water. Villi function. So, specialized projecting structures known as villi are present in the small intestine. The villi themselves have even smaller hair like projections on their surfaces known as microvilli. The villi have a good blood supply from capillaries, which enables the absorption of nutrients from the gut wall into the blood. Large intestines. The large intestine contains food which cannot be broken down further, usually fiber. Water is absorbed into the blood. Rectum that contains undigested food stored as feces. And that is the end of the digestive system where feces leave the body, that is anus. So guys, this is a digestive
So guys,
system
here's a
here. So you
review.
start
You
with
can draw
mouth.
a
So
diagram
what's
and label
when
it
food is
and
chewed, saliva
practice and
starts
color it
digesting
and make a
carbohydrates.
note. It
And
can
this one
help
is
you
a
guys. So you
esophagus, that is
start
the
with mouth
muscles in a
and
process
esophagus,
called
stomach, liver,
peristalsis. Push the food
pancreas, small
down into the
intestine, large
stomach. So
intestine,
here is the
and
stomach.
anus.
So everything is blended with digestive.
Alright guys, thank you so much and see you next time.